Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to see how you can try to fix brightness not changing on your Windows 11. Well, it is very common for Windows having this kind of issues. Here are some few processes that you can try. So the first thing that you can try is restart your laptop. Sometimes these kind of common glitch can fix with just a quick restart. So if that still does not work, the next thing that you can do is check if you are up to date or not, for which you can open your settings, for which you can simply just click on Windows plus I icon. And like this, your settings has been opened. And in here, now what you're going to do is click on the Windows update that you can see right here. After clicking on it, here you can see I'm currently up to date. If there is any update requirement, you can simply just click on the option of update now. And that way you can update your Windows. If you are up to date and it still does not work, the next thing that you can do is switch to Microsoft Basic Display Adapter driver, for which you have to now go to your device manager, which you can simply just find by clicking on this search icon right here, and then start typing a device manager. So after typing here you can see the option of open. You can simply just open this device manager like this. And in here you can see the option of display adapter right here. You have to click on this arrow right here in order to open this. And like this, you can see currently we're using Intel graphics. So in order to update this, you have to right click on your mouse like this. And you can see the option of update driver. Click on this. And then click on browse my computer for drivers. So after doing so, click on let me pick from a list available drivers on my computer. So after doing so, what you're going to do is click on the option of a Microsoft Basic Display Adapter like this. And then all you have to do is click on next. And here you can see Windows has successfully updated your driver to Microsoft Basic Display Adapter. Now you can close this tab. And then now you can simply just click on the brightness key on your keyboard and check whether it worked or not. Like this, you can see it is currently working on mine. And after doing this, your brightness should be working. If it still does not work, there might be the issue of your file missing or something else. So you should get your PC checked. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.